5 Best Vacuum for Tile Floors Reviews. Number 1. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional NV356E Vacuum Cleaner. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Vacuum is one of the best-selling vacuum for tile floors which is made by Shark. The advanced cyclonic technology is used for this vacuum which function as separates fine dirt from the air and also help to stop dust from blocking the filters and keeping suction power strong long time. Accordingly, Shark's anti-allergen complete seal technology joined with superior HEPA filtration holds over 99.9% of dirt and allergens into the vacuum, which is very helpful when you clean your home. It has very large dust container, so you don't need to change your dust cup now and then. Steering around obstacles is very difficult if your vacuum is heavy, but you will get fun when it's lightweight. So, Shark Navigator Lift-Away Vacuum is giving you this facility. Number 2. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Handheld Vacuum 33A1. If you are a pet lover but keep your home clean, then you can go for Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Handheld Vacuum 33A1. This vacuum cleaner is very powerful and easy to give any dirt a fast and easy cleanup. It has 2 types nozzle. One is soft which is helpful to clean up armrests, your interior decorum and car interiors, and another is hard one which is useful for clean up your pet's hair, leg and pet food. This vacuum cleaner is lightweight with the easy operating system only has on/off button. So, you can easily grip this vacuum handle and clean your necessary surface. Besides, the cyclonic cleaning system is used in this Bissell hand vacuum with a multi-layer filtration system. 16 feet power cord that is very helpful to give you great reach across your household. Number 3. Bissell 3624 Spot Clean Professional Portable Cleaner. The Bissell Spot Clean Pro Compact Carpet Cleaner is one of the best vacuum cleaners which has powerful vacuum suction, cleaning action, and cleaning solution for professional cleaning outcomes, removing strong dirt and tough colors. In fact, this vacuum cleaner well function for household interiors like sofa, carpet, stairs and car interior as well. Now I am going to discuss the special feature of this vacuum cleaner. Professional grade cleaning formula which is very important to clean strong dirt and color. 22-foot power cord so you can easily clean the room without unplugging the power cord. 3/4 gallon tank, that means the dust tank is large and user-friendly. Number 4. Hoover Floormate Spin Scrub with bonus hard floor wipes. All we know that people love hard floor as same as carpet. Another thing is you can change your carpet easily, but you have to take more care of hard floor because it's not much easy to change. You can vacuums, washes and dries hard floor by using Hoover Floormate Hard Floor Cleaner with Spin Scrub technology. This is ultimate 3-in-1 technology that can put away your other cleaning tools like a steam mop or drying tools. This tile floor vacuum easily cleans your hardwood, tiles, and vinyl floors like a cup of tea. Now have a simple look at this product. Removable nozzles and brushes, dual tank technology, folding handle technology, spin scrub brushes, simple mode selection system. Number 5. Dyson Ball Animal 2 Total Clean Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Telescope Reach Wand. Root Cyclone Technology. Click Fit Wand. Certified asthma and allergy friendly. Tough, durable construction. No extra penny. The transparent bin can help you out to measure of dirt. Lightweight and powerful bagless vacuum. User and health friendly. You can assemble it quickly. T will reduce your maintenance cost because this is the bagless vacuum and the lifetime filter is washable. Dyson engineers are very good at continuously inventing new technology, so they used their best technology to make this vacuum cleaner user-friendly to their customer.
Oh.